I'm gonna take it down, paint it, put it back together, and then it should be done.
Start it up.
So we got Garrett with us today.
He's making me actually do some work today, so I'm not super excited about it, but I'm here, and he's working me like a rented mule, as our friend Jimmy would say.
So a couple of fun facts about Garrett. He, in high school, he asked the prom queen to prom, and she said no, but he did ask. First grade talent show, didn't you get fourth place in that?
It's one of the more embarrassing moments in my life. Not happy about it.
You lip synced what song?
Mbop.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Hanson. Yeah.
Oh okay.
The long hair.
So it didn't go over well.
No, I didn't have a lot of friends growing up. How I have friends now, I'm still not sure. Andy's not even my friend. More of an acquaintance. Not just here for the help. So
get back to work. I think it's working. Yeah.
Is it on?
I don't dot my eyes. Won't say pretty please, or speaking little white lies. I've got a rebel soul.
Gonna take a minute here and apologize because somewhere along the line I lost a bunch of the paint footage. So where we painted the gray and the fenders black and all that stuff, for whatever reason it somehow got lost and I cannot find it anywhere. So we're gonna kind of skip through this here and get to reassembling the bike. What we ended up doing though is we used a Rust-Oleum self-etching primer on the frame, the front forks, the fenders, and stuff that didn't have any paint on it at all. And then we moved into the gray metallic Rust-Oleum spray paint, and then I did after it dried for a few days, I did a satin clear coat over everything as well, just to give an extra layer of protection over the paint job. But ended up turning out really good, and excited for you to see it. not exactly thrilled how this turned out. In a later video, we're gonna make an exhaust for this bike. I got a tubing bender from Affordable Bender, the 1.25" die and the 1" die, which I'll be using for the exhaust. And that's also going to help me on my next build, which is going to be a bike all out of round tubing. Here you can see how the CVT changes the diameter of these two pulleys to change your gear ratio, basically, so you have a much broader range, and you don't have the traditional clutch and have to shift gears like a regular dirt bike or motorcycle. So it's kind of interesting to see this thing slowed down here. I use these eye bolts to mount the rear fender, and these are going to give me something that I can tie onto for putting a handle back here. When you're loading the bike or trying to turn around on the trail, it's nice to have somewhere where you can pick it up in the back. And obviously you don't want to grab the bottom of this seat because it's got a plastic seat pan, and don't want to grab the fender itself. So these bolts that go through the frame down here is a good spot to be able to pick up the bike at.